Hello boss, we are custom touch display manufacturer located in Shenzhen, China. Today we are making 43-inch PCAP touchscreen display. Right now, our colleague is checking the 43-inch PCAP touchscreen. Actually, we had it inspected already, and then we checked, make sure the touchscreen, everything is fine. And then we will sticker the touchscreen with the metal frame. Yeah, we sticker it. After we stick the touchscreen with the frame, because the touchscreen is quite big and it's quite heavy, so the safety and the function is quite important. We used the special AB glue to sticker the touchscreen with the metal frame. We can see that we will use the special AB glue to sticker it again. After sticker, we will push to our dust-free workshop. The touchscreen and the metal frame and the sticker together, and then we push to our dust-free workshop. And our colleague inside, we are cleaning the touchscreen with the LCD, no dust. And right now we are cleaning. Our colleagues are working very happy here. Yeah, and after that, we will assemble the touch controller, AD board, inverter, and the metal case here. Honey, hello. Yeah, my colleague, she is very lovely, and she likes the English very much. Okay, and right now we are assembling. After assembly, we will push the touchscreen on the shift, and then we will take all of them to the aging test room. Our aging test is high temperature aging test room. We will aging test 4 hours. The temperature is 45 to 50 centigrade. If it is normal temperature, we will test 48 hours, 2 days. Okay. For the high temperature, we test 4 hours. This is our aging test room. After aging test 4 hours, the power will on automatically. Okay, right now it's aging test already, so the power on already. That's all. Thank you.